winter season. Yeah.
Hit him.
Young blood, sorry.
You're that other guy?
Nice shot.
Oh, I'm getting pinged northwest.
Get back. Push back, bro. Push back.
Hit him once, hit him once.
Yo.
You killed him. Alright, take go.
I see the press, always be the father, nevertheless. Keeping me out of prison and putting me to the test.
I need help, I need help.
Give me a second look.
I'm here. Got him. Constant.
Okay. If death is what it seems, why is it so vividly portrayed within our dreams? Free of understanding the devil's running its course. Teaches out the sins from the source of remorse. As this time becomes a factor, minds full of greed, disposing of benefactors backwards, pace backwards after the superficial, only reaching the surface upon the earth in flames engulf the dirt.
I see him.
My possessions they incinerate. This is far beyond any director tried to demonstrate. See the record, here's the record, take the record, set it straight, perplexed. Only receive slumber when heaven gates. This is feeling super free grab. Conversation, hesitate and navigate you in the trace. Back to a time where minds were just matter. If you stated opinions, your bones would begin to shatter. It didn't matter back then, cause there was no reacting, acting up. Chevy and black. Accurate fact, but the black ain't fact. If you thought that, you agree, you should disregard that. All facts. Call me a young Dexter. Shit, I'd rather die than be alive in this life. Alright, full of strife and strife.
Slow bang. Two of them, I need help, I need help. Got one. On me, yep. Got one. Stimming. On me. Got him. They always run together. Oh, he's pushing me. Fuck, he's on me.
Coming, 420.
Hit him once.
Kill him.
Another one. Got him. On me.
T1 right on you. Good shit.
Got him. Three of them. Hit one. Got one.
Just gotta catch a video on these niggas, G shit.
You know what I'm saying? Gonorrhea, all that shit. You won't have no more diseases, you feel me?
I'm not. Oh, call me.
I'm asking, real as they come, they feel it get numb. You think you got a little buzz, so now you can't get stoned. I keep a razor blade tuck on me. Tell these niggas about the city I'm from. Be the home of the hardest ever. Niggas born Berettas and call me never. This for my niggas trapped in cells like salmonella. Look, I could do this shit with no effort, no pressure, no gimmick shit, no radio records. Just textbook rhyme style with the raw texture. Punchlines, right hooks, now that's a trifecta. No more free lectures, I'm texting these niggas extras. Back in your sectors. Just to protect your neck.
Watch out, they're both so low.
Niggas, what the fuck is energy? Let me try me like a whole pussy, boy, that's on my soul. Make my flow shake shit, full expression like a shit. Police with like 8 whips, I'm talking all that 8 shit. I'm not talking while I'm babe shit, but I'm banging on my chest, bitch. Hey,
Got one?
hey, traveling through the infinity. You know that nigga pretend to be all that bullshit do not get to me. Spirit
Hit
and
him.
entity.
Got him.
You
Enter
want
D. Mind your steez, bro.
Young niggas feel the same, they know I bang. I'm full of fucking like the brain
Got him.
that can sing. Spend years at the crib, pain no more. I don't feel the pain no more. Get how I live, I don't feel the pain no more. I don't feel the pain no more. Spend years at the crib, so I don't feel the pain no more. I don't feel the pain no more. Gotta
be
get
now.
it how I live.
Ready, go.
I don't feel the
3,
pain
2,
no
1.
more. I don't feel the pain no more. I spend years at the crib, so I don't feel the pain.
Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.